Hi teachers, the purpose of this video is to show you how to add bookmarks into the curriculum map documents. I'm looking at the grade 6 quarter 1 curriculum map. I'm in the first section titled Reading. I've already added in the spotlight and supporting benchmarks for this unit, but now I want to add bookmarks so the teachers can easily find the benchmark that is R1.2. At the bottom of the document, you'll add your own section titled Benchmarks, and then you'll have different sections for ELA K-12 expectations. This section is going to be for reading. The first benchmark that I need is R1.2. So I go to the document on Best Standards and I copy paste. So I've put the standard in there, but now how do I bookmark it so the teachers can easily find it? Put Insert, Bookmark, and it adds the bookmark there, but that's not enough. Then you have to go back to where you listed it, like right here, and highlight it. The 1.2 highlighted, and then you go to Insert, Link, Bookmark, and I'm looking for R1.2. And so now when teachers click on R1.2, it'll take them to the part of the document where it has R1.2. I'll do one more for you. The next one we're looking at is R1.4. So I go to the Best Standard. I find R1.4. Go to the bottom of the document, the reading section. Add the standard, click to the left, hit Insert, Bookmark, then go back to where R1.4 is, highlight it, Insert, Link, scroll down a little bit, click on Headings and Bookmarks. There's R1.4, and again, it directs the teacher to the bottom of the document where the teacher can find the benchmark. Feel free to email me if this video is not enough support. Thank you.